What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be opening my Speed Cube Shop parcel that just got here. So let's see what I got. So you just put this on the ground and just grab things at random. Alright, first thing we got is the Spooky Cube. This was my free gift in the order. Let's open these up. Let's see some turns on it. Honestly, not bad. I kind of like it. I like it. Let's see what else I got. Let's see what else I got before we do some solves. I got my C. Timmy mini mat. I'll just keep that here for right now. Just open it up real quick. That's so cool. I like the little Soup Timmy cube on it too. Alright. Okay, we got a couple more mini mats in here. Just grab these out. We got another mini mat, which is the Halloween mini mat, Space mini mat, and Gamer mini mat. Just keep the Soup Timmy one out for now. Alright, we got this. No bag on it. Alright. Really bad turning, but it's glow in the dark cube. What do you expect? Let's grab out a couple more things. Oh, we got jack-o'-lantern lube over here. 15 milliliters. Yep. Alright, let me just smell it real quick. There's stuff in it. That smells so nice. I love that. I can't wait for my Christmas order for the candy cane lube. Alright, we got bags. We got the ghost bag, Speed Cube Shop bag, pirate bag, and cat bag. Those are cool. Alright, let's grab some other stuff. Oh lord. Alright, we got a GAN SKU magnetic. I think this is the enhanced, I believe. I don't know how to tell. I think so. Yeah, enhanced. Alright, let's just give it a couple turns. This is for my upcoming competition that I'm competing in Cube in. I haven't opened the GAN box in like a while. That's nice. Yeah, this one is the enhanced, I believe. Yep, because there's core magnets. I like it. Alright, let's get my other things out. Let's put this back on. Alright. Next is... Okay, we got a couple stands. We got the Halloween stands. We got Speed Cube Shop, Trick or Treat, and Happy Halloween, the black, the green, and the orange. So we got my Halloween order here. Alright, let me just grab the other two cubes out of here. We got a YJ MGC square one right here. Just grab everything out of it. We are going to need to change the pieces out to black. Okay, it's pretty nice. I'm not sure if it comes with black pieces though. I think I need to buy those separately. I like this square one. It's just a little bit rough and sandy off the bat, I believe. Yeah, it does come with black pieces in there. I'll swap those out after the video's over so we don't waste your time. to the side. All right, the final cube in my order is my MGC 4x4. Because once again, I have a cubing competition coming up with that has 4x4 in it, 3x3, 4x4, a couple of cube. I forgot what other events I'm doing on it. That just ripped open. That's really fast out of the box. It's just super sandy. That's really nice. Alright, let's do a solvent 4x4. Actually, no. Because it's a little bit sandy and I need like lube in it. Let's just do a cube solve real quick. This is really loose. Alright, let's get it. Okay, I'm just lost right now. Really slow. Haven't really practiced that much. Let's put that back. Alright, let's grab the spooky cube out. Do a solve on this. This is also really loose and fast. And also my fingernails are super long, so I hope I do not kill it. Alright, let's just try and... I didn't even get a good look at the cube before this. No. No. Maybe. Goes there, that goes there. I believe that goes there. Oh, this goes with purple. What am I doing? Is this the correct center? No. That's not either. What? Okay, this is the correct center orientation, I think. No, it's not. What am I doing wrong? Oh, red and orange aren't adjacent. They're adjacent. That's what I'm doing wrong. Red and... Oh my god, this is so confusing. Nah, it's not in the correct orientation. There we go. I actually got that one. Now it's just normal 3x3 with weird color combinations. Oh, there's a bubble. What the? That goes there. That should be correct. Yep, I think so. Yeah, that's good. We're good. Everything looks good on the cube. Well, besides this little bubble right here. Oh well. And this one. And like this one with a razor blade. It's good. It's whatever. I don't really care. It's just a spooky cube. I like Spooky Cube. I hate this cube. I'm just not gonna do solve on that. Okay. I like 4x4. 4x4 is so nice. Okay. That's pretty much it. Thank y'all so. Oh wait, actually, there's still some stuff in the bag. $11 Speed Cube Shop stands for my cubes. $11 Speed Cube Shop stands just for my cubes, so I can put them on stands instead of the cubicle, because Speed Cube Shop is so much better. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye!